In this video, we will see how to automate your report with Oracle BI data on the Power BI service via the on-premise gateway. So right now I'm on the Power BI service, as you can see, and I have already created a report called European Markets and published it to the service. But right now it's not connected to the Oracle BI from the service. So if we do a refresh now, it is expected to error out. Like you can see here, it is error out because we haven't yet created a connection to this data source right now. So let's see how to do it. First, I'm on the on-premise gateway server, as you can see, and I have a gateway named production gateway, and I also have the BI connector installed here. Just in case if you have multiple gateways on a cluster, then you have to follow this process in all the gateways, in the BI connector configuration alone in all the gateways. So right now, yeah, I'm on this BI connector application on the gateway, and I'm going to add a data source with the same name that I used in the Power BI report. So let's see how to do it. So I'm just clicking on new data source, and I'm giving this data source exactly the same name that I gave it while creating the report in Power BI desktop. So it is Oracle data models, and the data source type is data model. That's correct. And the Oracle Analytics application that I had is Analytics Cloud. I'm choosing that. And here also I'm going to enter the exact URL that I used to while creating the report in Power BI desktop. It's this URL. I'm just copying that and going back to the application and pasting it here. And then I'm entering my Oracle credentials. And then here I'm going to enter the folder path. And so again, I just go back to my Oracle properties, and I'm just adding a folder path here. I click verify and add. We are adding at least one folder path here, and you can add any folder paths as you want. And finally, you can click on test and save. So as you would have already went through these steps while configuring the data source in your PC on the desktop edition of BI Connector, this is just done on the gateway on the server edition of the BI Connector. The user interface and experience, everything else, it's just the same. So, and one exception is like you don't need to add a table here in the gateway. So we'll just need the data source name with the exact same configuration that you used in the Power BI desktop. So now let's go back to the Power BI service, and the European market semantic model is here. The report is here. So I'm just clicking on the semantic model 3 dots settings. I'm just clicking on gateway and cloud connections. So it's showing nothing is configured properly, and this is the gateway I have, production gateway. So I'm just clicking on this arrow. I click on manually add to gateway, and I'm giving this connection a name. Let's say Oracle BI connection. The data source name, I'm going to copy it from the BI connector exactly as it is, and I'm pasting it here. And the connection type is automatically picked as BI connector, and I'm going to enter my credentials, Oracle credentials here. I click create. Yeah, now it automatically redirects me to this page, and just clicking on the gateway and cloud connections. It is trying to pick up the list of data sources with the Oracle data models name. Okay, maps to, I'm just going to select from the drop down. It's Oracle BA connection. That's the name of the connection I gave it in the Power BI service. I select it, and then I click on apply. Okay, and now the connection is established, but if I want to automatically refresh it, I can just use this option, select the time zone, and then configure a refresh schedule, daily or weekly. I can choose between what I want. Let's say for daily at 1 a.m. and then I'll add another time at 1 p.m. And you can set up all the other settings as you need, and finally you can click on apply. So from now on, this semantic model would get refreshed every day at 1 a.m. and 1 p.m. automatically. So this connection that we did is for a data model, but it doesn't matter if it is an analysis report, like here, let's go. If it's an analysis report or subject area, it's all the same steps. So this is how you connect, automate a report with Oracle BI data in the Power BI service via the on-premise gate. Thank you.